The secret of the enchanted garden. In a small village surrounded by rolling hills, there was a secret garden hidden behind a high wall. The villagers had heard whispers of its magical beauty, but no one had ever been able to find it. One day, a young girl named Ella, who loved gardening, heard an old woman speak of the enchanted garden and how it was said to bloom with the most magnificent flowers and fruits. Intrigued, Ella decided to find the garden and discover its secrets for herself. Ella spent days walking around the village, searching for a hidden path behind the thick ivy-covered wall. Her hands were scratched and her feet ached, but she didn't give up. She cleared away the vines and dirt, slowly uncovering a small gate that led into the secret garden. Inside, the garden was overgrown and wild, its beauty hidden beneath layers of neglect. The flowers were wilted and the trees were bare. It seemed as if the garden had been forgotten. Determined, Ella decided to restore the garden. Every day, she worked tirelessly, watering the plants, pulling weeds, and pruning the trees. It wasn't easy, and there were days when she wanted to stop, but she kept going, believing that her hard work would pay off. Slowly but surely, the garden began to transform. The flowers bloomed in vibrant colors, the trees grew strong and fruitful, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of blossoms. One morning, after months of hard work, Ella stood in the middle of the garden, amazed at the beauty she had helped bring back to life. The enchanted garden, once hidden and forgotten, now flourished in all its glory. Ella realized that the secret of the garden wasn't magic at all. It was the hard work, patience, and care that had made it thrive. She had learned that when you put in the effort, the results are always worth it. Lesson: hard work bears fruit, and persistence leads to success.